Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable test participant on Netflix account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Chrome browser on your device. Well, after that, here you can sign in to your Netflix account. Okay, and then here please click three line. After that, select account option. Okay, and then here please scroll down. After that, you can just test participant option. Okay, and then you can turn it on by pressing this button. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable test participant on Netflix account on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.